guys, it is week 37. It is our bugs and butterflies themed week, and our focus is cartwheels. So we're at circuit 1, where Abby's going to put her hands on the red mat. She's going to put a caterpillar between her feet. She's going to do a donkey kick into a front roll, stand up, hold the caterpillar in between your feet. And that is it for this station. Then over here, we're kind of getting used to the idea of hopping our feet sideways in a cartwheel. So hands go in the middle, jump your feet over every stick. On this one, their legs are going to go up on the box. They're going to put a beanbag on their stomach, and they're just pulling their chin up. And if they can, lift their legs as well. If you have a really advanced group for this station as well, you could always do chin up pullovers. On this one, Abby's going to go into a front support, and she's just lifting her legs sideways and tapping the scarves. Over on our high bar, we're just doing monkey walks. On this one, her hands are going to go down right in the middle, and she's walking her feet up in a cartwheel shape. Then on our red box, feet go on the box, hands on the floor. There's 3 beanbags, and they're going to sort them into their hoops. So the red into the orange hoop, the pink in the pink, and the green in the green for the beanbags. Then we have a cartwheel and another cartwheel. And that is it for circuit 1. Guys, we're at circuit 2. So at our first yellow beam, hands are going to go in the handprints. They're going to cartwheel over the snake. Then on our purple beam, they're going to walk in a bear walk. And every time they hit a butterfly, they're going to do a knee scale. All the way down. Then our next station, this is your spotting station. They're going to start in a lunge. Hands go down onto the blue panel mats, cartwheel over. On this one, our hands are going to go down in the middle. They're walking their feet up the cheese and then down the other one in that cartwheel shape. This is the same idea. Hands go down in the middle, walk their feet up the half circle and down. And then finally on our high beam, we are doing needle kicks. So hands go down, kick our leg up on each one. And that is it for circuit 2. Circuit 3, Abby's going to put her hands down in front of the plunger, jump her feet over side to side. Then over here, her hands are going to go down on the blue box. She's going to donkey kick into a squat on. And then walk all the way down, or bear walk all the way down. We have our kick up to handstand or walk up to handstand. Depends on what your group can do. Then on this station, this is the same one as our first station, where their hands go down onto the beam and they jump their feet over. And then finally over here, we are doing an actual cartwheel. So lunge on green and yellow, and then cartwheel over. And that is it for circuit 3. All right, guys, we're at circuit 4. So this is the same idea as last week, where we had the same thing going on either side. You're going to split your group up into 2 teams, and they're going to race and do all the skills there and run back. And that. So our first station, we are doing cartwheels. Then over here, we're doing cartwheels again on the orange box. We have bear walk sideways. And then finally, we have a front roll to stand up the cheese. And that is it for this station. Again, you can switch it up, make it fun for your group, but it's more just going to be game style.